Hello everyone. This video will show you the installation of RWD automated stereotaxic instrument. The whole video will be introduced from several parts. Display of automated stereotaxic instrument and accessories. Mainframe installation. Accessories installation. 1. Display of automated stereotaxic instrument and accessories. Ensure that all boxes are delivered. Check the boxes for visible damage. Once you find any serious damage, please make a damage statement to the carrier and contact RWD immediately. It is recommended to take photos of the damaged packages to keep evidence. If there is no visible damage to the packaging, open the box and remove equipment components. Save all boxes and packing materials for future shipments. After opening the box, please check whether the items are complete and intact according to your order. If you find any missing or defective items, please contact us immediately. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact RWD for service support. Take out the automated stereotaxic instrument base, mouse adapter, earbar, standard holder, installation tools, extension dock, USB flash disk and dongle, left manipulator and right manipulator, power adapter, square port connection cable, microcontroller, control box, injection unit, universal fixing accessories, 3.5-inch and 7-inch glass electrode, sealing material, injection unit connection cable, user manual, list of products and certificate of conformity, alligator clip ground cable, micro connection cable, 7-core connection cable, BNC connector. 2. Mainframe installation. Here will be a demonstration of the installation of automated stereotaxic instrument with 2 arms. After unpacking, take out the protective foam and take out all accessories. Please check the materials received against the enclosed packing list. If you find any missing or damage, please contact RWD after sales service immediately. Take out the instrument with caution and place it on a flat, level table. Connect the extension dock with computer. The power cable should be connected when using the extension dock. The orange port on the extension dock is for power supply only and cannot be used for data transmission. Use square port connection cable to connect the control box to the computer. Use a micro connection cable to connect the control box to the microcontroller. The red dot on micro connection cable should correspond to the red dot of the control box and microcontroller interfaces when connected. Connect the injection unit connection cable to the injection port of the control box that corresponded to the manipulator. Connect the 7-core connection cable to the corresponding motor ports ML, AP and DV on the control box. Use the power adapter to connect it to the power port on the control box. Loosen knob. Install the manipulator assembly above the AP shaft and fix it through knob. Connect the manipulator ML, AP and DV arms to the control box with the 7-core connection cable. Turn on the power, and use the microcontroller to control the AP manipulator assembly to move backwards. Make room for the installation of another manipulator assembly. This step can be omitted for single-arm installation. You need to repeat these above-mentioned steps to connect the other manipulator to the new control box and microcontroller. 3. Accessories installation. Loosen knob to mount the animal adapter on the U-shaped base. Then install and remove the adapter or adjust the front and rear position. Fix the earbar through the knob. Loosen knob to load and unload, or adjust the earbar to left or right. Align the scale of earbar to the 0 mark. The V-shaped connector can be fixed on the manipulator through knob. Use Allen wrench to loosen the Allen screw on the V-shaped connector. Insert the bar of standard holder into V-shaped connector. Tighten the Allen screw to fix it. Use Allen wrench to loosen the Allen screw. Insert the bar of universal fixing accessory into V-shaped connector. Tighten the Allen screw to secure it at the height. Fix universal fixing accessory on the V-shaped connector. Fixing the injection unit with the general fixing accessory. Loosen knob to mount it and adjust its initial height. Connect injection unit connection cable to connect unit. This is the end of installation. For more details and operation, please refer to the user manual. Thank you.